Let's smoke some classic shredded beef. I'm starting with a 3-pound chuck roast, and I'm going to tie a knot with some butcher's twine and then create some loops and work my way all the way down the chuck roast until I've got it secured on all sides. Then I'm going to flip it over and take that same piece of twine and I'm going to whip it through, flip it right underneath each of those pieces that are wrapped around there until I can get all the way back to the other side, flip it over and tie it in a knot until it's secure. There you go, just snip that off. Now I'm going to take my brisket rub and rub it liberally all over. This is going to be the primary flavor for this. I've got some meat hooks. I'm going to secure them right under the twine and hang this on my Breeo smokeless fire pit over cowboy hickory logs. Go 1 hour per pound. Then I'm going to snip off that butcher's twine. The temp right now is about 140. I'm putting it in a cast iron pot with some sliced onions, dried New Mexico chilies, and a can of beef consomme. Put that right back over the heat until you get an internal temp of about 205. It should be perfectly fork tender. Remove it from the heat, discard those chili peppers, and then just shred it with a fork. You can get the whole recipe at GirlsCanGrill.com.